ko.
Oh my God, naiiyak kami! Wala na
Me going home.
Wala na puli!
Ayan. Bye-bye, OMG, si Stanley. My very wonderful boss.
Siya!
Ang pogi, diba? Back, so pauwi na ako. My flight is around 2 p.m. So my pickup is 10. So ito yung mga friends ko here. Bester, Benjo, Stanley, Freya, and Jonah. OMG, feels surreal. Parang Karen lang. Naglakad ako dyan sa Barbados. Nakita ko yung pinoko. Connected na nga nila ako palabas. And mixed emotions because I don't know how to feel. Masaya ako kasi natapos ko yung isang kontrata. Sobrang ano lang ng feeling na parang yung mga kaibigan mo for a long time is there. But people must like come and go. I'm on my way to the airport. I'm inside the taxi. And ako lang mag-isa. Wala akong kasama. So, feels sad because nag-iiyakan sila kanina and I don't want to cry. But it is what it is. So, right now, I'm just excited also to be home because my family is also waiting for me. So, there, I'll see you when I see you. Bye.
You whisper, good morning, so gently in my ear. I'm coming back to you, baby. I'll soon be there. I'll soon be there.
Hi guys, so currently I'm inside at the airport na ng Tenerife. Kakarating ko lang and it's really raining outside. And right now, I'm going to look for my flight kung saan ako mag-check-in at idadrop ko yung mga baggage ko. I don't know, it's like heavy feeling kasi parang yung utak ko, supposedly nasa Pinas na ako 1 week ago and right now parang na-extend pa and umiyak yung iba kong mga friends. So sobrang nakakalungkot kung nakakalungkot yung ganung feeling. Pero life must go on and people come and go. So right now is i-check-in ko lang yung mga baggage ko. I need to look for the flight where I'm in. Alright? I'm looking at my flights right now. So andun ako, ayan yung Madrid. Ayan ako. Yan yung Madrid, yung UX 9049 na flight. And apparently hindi pa naka-open yung counter. I'm going to look for a seat kung saan ako pwedeng umupo and mag-wait until mag-open yung counter. So around 12 daw. So I'll see you when I see you. And maghanap ako ng makainan. Gutom na ako, wala pang breakfast. So
oh girl, you got me going psycho. Oh I know, 네 부했던 하죠. Oh I go, you got me going psycho. Oh I know, 네 부했던 하죠.
Nakahanap na ako ng upuan and nag-order na rin ako ng food ko. This is what I got, a sandwich and then a Pepsi and then chips. Yes, so kakain muna ako kasi nagugutom na ako. Wala pang breakfast, wala akong lunch. So this will be my lunch. And I guess meron namang ino-offer sa airplane. So that's it, pang snacks lang to. So, let's go. Now, ida-drop ko na yung baggage ko sa check-in counter. Nakapila na ako. So, there, itong dalawang baggage ko will be dropped and then I'll hand carry everything na. 2 p.m. is my flight. Currently, it's 12:30 already. So, I'm just waiting for my turn. Kapila na ako. Okay? Oh my God. Bigla na naman akong naharang sa security, OMG, sa immigration. Parang may pinahid-pahid sila about dun sa ano. Parang may papel silang pinahid sa ano ko, sa belt ko, tapos sa kamay ko, sa cellphone ko. Kinabahan ako bigla, para saan yun? Tapos ako lang yung nagano nila. Pero nakalagpas naman din ako, nakalusot naman din. Pero syempre nandun yung kabat na parang ba't may pinupunas kayo sa ano ko, sa bag ko. Anyways, I'm walking towards my boarding gate. So right now, na-drop ko na yung bag ko na chinek-in ko. And then ito is, naglalakad lang ako papunta sa boarding gate. It will be sa second floor daw. Let's see. I'll see you when I see you. Bye-bye.
I see stars in your eyes. I see stars in your eyes, baby. Oh, oh, oh.
papunta na ako ng Madrid. Currently onboarding na kami. Ayun yung airplane namin sa harapan ko. Pakita ko sa inyo. There we go. Yeah, that will be the plane that I'll be on. So, 4 hours or to 5 hours yung biyahe from here sa Tenerife. So, nasa loob na ako ng plane. And yung plane is like ano lang siya, parang domestic flight ng Philippines na parang dalawang aisle lang siya. Ang Cebu Pacific or Air Asia. It's currently 4 p.m. here. No, 2 p.m. sorry. In the afternoon. So, I'll be there around 7 o'clock. Ganun, 7 o'clock in the evening. So, I'll see you when I see you. Hi guys! So, kakalapag ko lang sa Madrid Airport and connecting siya to Dubai. Currently, it's 6 p.m. in the evening and hahanapin ko pa yung flight ko papuntang Dubai because it's around 8 p.m. naman. So, it was like a 2-hour flight lang. Nakaigap naman ako and ito ako ngayon sa parang directory. Hanapin ko yung flight ko. So, see you! And gutom na ako. Medyo kumakalam na yung sikmura ko. So, OMG, ang lamig. Hinahanap ko yung Terminal 4 and currently naglalakad ako para magano ako ng bus. Sakay ako ng bus papunta dun sa Terminal 4 kung saan yung next flight ko. Okay na ako. And malamig dito. Siyempre, yung jacket ko nakalimutan ko pa sa barko. That's another thing. So, tiis-tiis. Okay? I'll see you when I see you. Bye-bye! Hi guys, OMG, like ngayon ko lang na-realize na sobrang nawala ako sa airport nila na nakakabobo yung airport. But yeah, lumagpas na ako sa immigration. So right now is kailangan ko na namang sumakay ng train papunta dun sa Terminal 4 kung saan yung flight ko, which is Emirates. So laban lang. Tapos one thing na-realize ko guys, parang ako ngayon mag-isa kasi ako umuwi. So, sobrang liberating niya somehow. Nakaka-independent. Alam mo maka-independent na kailangan mong gumawa ng paraan para sa sarili mo. Hindi pwedeng hindi ka magsasalita, hindi pwedeng hindi ka magtanong kasi mawawala ka talaga. So, right now, just waiting for the train. So, I'll see you when I see you. Hi guys, so I'm just really hungry right now. Kaka-order ko lang ng Burger King. So these are my food, my burger, nuggets, and then large fries, and then drinks. Ay, kakagutom. Alam kong may food sa airplane, but sobrang gutom ko na talaga. So kakain muna ako guys. Okay? Kain ka? Hi guys! Welcome back. Nasa Dubai na ako. Nakarating ko lang. Naghahabol ako ng next flight ko kasi parang mga 50 minutes lang yung interval. And sobrang nakakamaga yung airport ng Dubai. It's really one of the best. Hindi ko na-enjoy yung flight na yun. Sobrang lakas ng pressure ng tenga ko. Sobrang naiiyak ako sa sakit. Tapos kahit anong nangangang ako at nguyak-nguyak, ayaw talaga siya matanggal. But right now, bingi pa rin ako. But let's see. So I'm on my way to the Philippines, to Manila. It's like a 8-hour flight. I'm not sure. Pero, yeah, I'll see you when I see you. 2 hours na lang, sa Pinas na. Yeah.
مؤدية إلى البوابات B و C.
Hi guys, nasa Pinas na nga ako. So, sobrang nakakatuwa. I mean, i-back off ko lang yung electric dito. So, sobrang nakakapagod yung biyahe, but it was worth it. Nandito na ako ngayon sa bahay namin where I'm enjoying na walang alarm clock, walang gigising sa akin, wala akong iintindihin na duty. So, right now, I'm just taking my first ever vacation after 9 months on board. So, wala lang. Sobrang happy ka lang. Makakakain na ako finally ng mga foods na kinikrave ko lang dati. I mean, the Jollibee, the lechon, the mga manok, mga inihaw, everything. So, that's it guys. And thank you for being with me. And I hope I'll see you soon again. Bye!